Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many are calling the best star stamp makeup on the market, the Go Ho Black Liquid Eyeliner Stamp. If you're someone who loves adding a little extra sparkle and creativity to your eye makeup, this double-sided eyeliner pen is definitely worth checking out. This product stands out because it offers a unique combination of a star-shaped stamp on one end and a classic liquid eyeliner tip on the other. The star stamp lets you quickly create fun and eye-catching designs right at the corner of your eyes, instantly elevating your look from simple to stunning. Whether you want to brighten up your everyday makeup or add a playful touch for a special occasion, this liner makes it effortless. One of the best features of the Go Ho eyeliner stamp is its fast-drying formula. The ultra-fine 0.1mm tip ensures you can smoothly draw precise lines, and within just a couple of minutes, the eyeliner sets and becomes smudge-proof and waterproof. This means your star stamp and eyeliner will stay put throughout the day without worrying about fading or smudging. The eyeliner itself is matte black, giving your eyes a bold yet elegant finish. Plus, the soft tip offers excellent control, allowing you to vary the thickness of your eyeliner depending on your mood or style. The liquid texture glides on smoothly, so even beginners can achieve a neat, professional look without hassle. Not only is this product super cute and functional, but it is also very practical. The pen is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around for quick touch-ups on the go. Removing the eyeliner is simple as well. Just use your regular makeup remover, and it wipes off cleanly without irritating the skin. If you're into DIY makeup or just love trying new beauty trends, the Go Ho Black Liquid Eyeliner Stamp is a fantastic addition to your kit. It offers a fresh way to experiment with your look, blending fun shapes with classic eyeliner precision. Also, it's suitable for all skin types, so anyone can enjoy its benefits. Overall, this product is designed to bring creativity, ease, and lasting performance into your makeup routine. The dual-ended design saves time and effort, making it perfect for those busy mornings or last-minute glam sessions. Whether you want to impress at work or party, the Go Ho Eyeliner Stamp helps you create a memorable eye look in seconds. That wraps up our review of the Go Ho Black Liquid Eyeliner Stamp, the best star stamp makeup pen available today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.